y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Brittany. If you're not new, welcome back. I missed y'all so much, and I'm just excited like to get back in the nature of vlogging. Now I'm kind of like getting back into my whole groove and routine of things in a way. So but right now I'm at Starbucks because the nail shop opens at 10 and it's 9:41. Like, I was not playing. When I got off work today, I went home, got in the tub, got dressed, and left out the door. Like, I'm not playing because I want to be the first one in there. For real. Hi. Y'all, I haven't vlogged in so long. Y'all don't even know what my favorite go-to drink is anymore. I like to just get a brown sugar shaken espresso with 3 pumps of white mocha and 2 extra pumps of brown sugar, and then vanilla sweet cream cold foam on top. They literally redid the whole shop, so I'm excited to see how it look. I kind of seen how it looked online on Google. I don't like this, it's too bright. But I kind of seen how it looked online, like on Google and everything, but I haven't seen it in person yet. I have not seen Luna in so long, so yeah, I'll probably show her on camera today. I never show her on camera, but it's a reunion. I'm gonna get the steamer on my feet because I haven't been in so long. I'm gonna get the little steamer, but look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, they did such a good job. It used to be carpet right there and then hardwood floor like on the sides, but now it's all hardwood. It looks so pretty in here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hand.
I miss you so much. And she did my nails. So cute.
High, tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen.
Many hours later.
Okay, y'all, so I just left out of Sugar Dose. I got a little bit of footage for y'all, but it was kind of crowded, so I didn't record for real. But I got the Dubai chocolate bar. I'm with my sister and my granny. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
And I got this. Me and my mama tried this already, but I got this again because it's so good. Let's try it and see. Well, I already know it's good, but let's see what they think. Here, put the camera up so we can record. Do y'all want to be on camera?
I don't care.
Okay, put it in the middle. Are we excited?
Yes.
Okay.
No. What is
What's on that, Brittany?
That's...
It's good stuff. Just eat it. Take one. You want the small one? You try it first. I knew it was good.
Oh.
Try it, Brianna. You heard her.
Go back and get another one.
Granny, she was just in it for 12 minutes.
I didn't know.
What's this shaving?
Girl.
I don't know how to pronounce it. It's knaf or something. It's so good. But I don't really like chocolate. Girl, just
You're
eat
not
the
even
strawberry.
gonna taste the chocolate. You don't like it, Brianna?
No, it's good. What should I rate it? It's cool. It's real smooth. It's milk chocolate.
You know what?
I think I like milk chocolate. Yeah, have another one. No, okay.
The sugar.
Okay, I'm gonna drive us to the next place. I got final thoughts, comments.
I'll give it a 9, and yes, I will come back.
Yo, we're in DSW because my granny wants to find her some loafers. I'm gonna look to see if they have the Adidas Sambas and these Steve Madden sandals, only so I could try it on and see what size I need and order them online. I don't need to. Shut the vlog. My granny said, what about these? And what about them? What are you asking? These are nice.
What about these? No?
I said these are nice.
Those are not everyday shoes though.
Yeah.
Well, come on, find me some everyday shoes then. Y'all know
We need to go
about
in the aisle, get out this clearance.
them. Okay, look. Yeah, put this one.
You told Granny those nice.
No, I was
They
just
nicer
looking.
than the ones she's been picking up.
These feel like church. Or
Yeah.
work or something.
Or like
Where they go?
Interview.
Granny? You just gonna have them in the shoe? Are you taking them?
just put them anywhere.
No, that's what
Here
it
it is.
said.
Oh.
Here, I know which one.
And actually, we're in. Oh, they're right here. I want these. These are designer knockoff. These are the shoes that I was looking for, but I actually ordered these when I first seen them online like years ago. But the size, these run so narrow, like you can literally see how narrow this shoe is. So I'm about to try on a size just to see, because I think I need an 8.5 or a 9, but they don't even have that. So I'm gonna see how an 8.5 fit. Oh shoot, I don't even have to. They got a 10. Oh, it's an 8.5 up here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, look at how narrow this is. And I wear a size 8. And this is an 8.5. And it's super tight. I would need a 9.5 or a 10. I'm about to try this 10 though. Yeah, 9.5. We're about to go get some food after, because we're so hungry.
This body is looking at. I was like, somebody done wore these.
Let me see. Talk about somebody that wore these. Look at my fit for today. I have on a matching set. I have on brown. I bought like 4 these in 4 different colors, as you can see, with my Nike Vomeros. I love these shoes. I got them in gold and silver. This is like the best purchase I've made this year with getting these. They're so comfortable and cute. And y'all know who don't like them, who's hating on them. Sorry. No, you're fine. Yes, thank you. My burger came back. Well, I'm trying to talk about Brianna. But she don't like them. My mama like them, so I'm gonna get her some for Mother's Day. Yeah, I'm just yapping at this point. I'm hungry. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we at the restaurant. I don't even know where we're going to eat at, but I know we're gonna eat something. So I saw at Redstone because Cheesecake Factory was crowded. Get out the car. The appetizer, this is the buffalo fried shrimp, and it smells so good. It comes with ranch, salmon, potatoes, and asparagus. I got buffalo wings, and Brianna got shrimp scampi. Yes, it is. It's really good. Oh, and I got truffle fries. They truffle look kind of like something I've never seen before.
The next day.
Yo, we're at the Bear Club, about to get some brunch. Look, Kaden.
Cheese.
Hi. Barb. Oh my goodness. Y'all, they said we gotta be gone at 1:15. It's 11:16. Look at my nephew. Got a strawberry lemonade. I got wings and oysters. Only because I want a strawberry lemonade. Yo, we're done with brunch. It was really good. We're at the gas station getting some gas, filling up, and I have to drive because Brianna, I was treating my granny and Brianna for brunch today, and we made it the whole thing, and she wants me to drive, talking about I'm not treating them properly. So then I'm pumping gas. It's -2 degrees outside.
Girl, shut up.
And I gotta get gas because I'm on the driver's side. And it just stopped.
Make sure it filled up.
It filled.
$40 juice is what I mean.
But it wasn't completely empty. We're about to drop my granny off at her hair appointment. But first, because we early, so I'm about to stop and get me a coffee. I'm really feeling my hair. This color, it just pops on my skin, pops on Brianna's skin. It just looks really good. Thank you. You too. So today we're going out for Alicia's birthday. Woo! Maya, say hey.
Hey y'all,
They don't know
I'm Kira D, Brittany's cousin.
Subscribe to our channel, guys.
I don't have no time.
I'm gonna be back active soon. This is the birthday girl.
Ooh, happy birthday.
Thank you. If I don't get the camera off, that's enough.
She always
Alicia don't play.
No.
But we're on our way to Sneakerhead University. We're gonna design some sneakers. Yeah.
Y'all with these YouTube voices really killing me right now.
Brittany, let me see the camera in my TikTok vlog.
Oh my
Gee, I just want y'all to realize how y'all be changing y'all voice. Y'all don't even realize, do y'all?
I left my shoes. Brianna grabbed my shoes. Kira got some ones.
Like, they still clean enough to be able to do the design on.
Yeah.
Me and Alicia got some Converse off Amazon.
Yeah, those real cute. Yeah, we stopped at Rosania's Pizza so they can get a slice of pizza. They slice of pizza is huge, but I'm not getting none because I ate breakfast already. But it's only like 3:30, and we gotta be there by like 3:45 for our reservations at the sneaker place. So we sitting here waiting. Kira got cheese. Y'all see how big this pizza is? Maya got cheese.
I took a little bite already.
Alicia hungry. Oh, look, it's a shoebox. That's raw. We gotta take our shoestrings out.
Try to get up, walk around the classroom, and try to get some inspiration. And get on like Pinterest, Google, Instagram, and TikTok for your ideas.
Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again.
Yeah, look, they gave me transfer paper. So I traced it twice, and now it's on the shoe. Y'all some haters. Hater number one. Wait, it ain't focused. Oh, there you go. Miss Hater. Oh, cute. And hater number two. Brianna's shoe cute too. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me.
Look at Brianna's shoes. Okay. That's really cute. Y'all, we in Nordstrom. Look at these wigs. We're at the Gordon Ramsay burger restaurant. That corn that was good. They devoured that. This is good. I got the creme brulee Oreo shake. Yeah. Look. I don't want to record you.
What are y'all doing?
So good.
Turn that off. Y'all embarrassing. Y'all bringing all that attention over here.
Y'all don't know. Let me tell y'all.
Embarrassing.
She did it too.
Turn